dear friends, here at ATECA 2019. Noticed the Glovebox Light's getting hot, and I'm thinking, why is that? So when I do this, it's still on. The light itself is still on. That means all the time when you drive, the light stays on. I went to forum and realized it's a quite common fault for the Seat, Volkswagen, and what to do, how to do it. So what can we do really is take this out, take the whole thing out, and now let's see what's inside. Must be some sort of push button, which is probably not reaching, something's not right. So first thing, you need to disconnect that. Just pull it like that, and that's disconnected now. Now we need to just push this to the left and hold it down a little bit, and then on this side push this body to the right and pull it down. Yeah. By the way, the fuses are here as well. Never find it without removing the glove box to now find it. So what we've got here, there's the switch. Right. There's no light. So what does it mean? Quite common fault for the Seat and even Volkswagen. This is not reaching it, it's not pushing it. So look, we even got like some special cutouts. So what can be done? Easy fix. Do a tissue, do something like this. Yeah. Push it in. Yeah. It stays here. When you push this back in, and let's see. Yeah, it does work. Open, push. Normal light. Easy, do yourself. Open, close, open, close. Alright, thank you for watching me. Put your comments. Seat 2019.